Good morning students. In this video, I am going to explain you about microprocessor. Microprocessor is a brain of computer, that is a CPU. In earlier days, computer CPU was very large and placed in large rooms. Microprocessor is a silicon chip in which CPU is implemented. Nowadays, all CPU are microprocessors. Microprocessor is a small sized electronic component that can do various tasks like data processing, arithmetic and logical operation. Nowadays, a microprocessor is built over an integrated circuit, comprises millions of small components like resistors, transistors and diodes. Microprocessor is evolving over time in terms of increasing processing speed, decreasing physical size and reduced cost. Increased processing speed means nowadays CPU process speed is very high. Means if you read the CPU speed in terms of gigahertz, it means it can do millions of instructions at a time. Decreased physical size. Physical size means nowadays CPU size has been reduced, and if you see the laptops nowadays, you see the laptops are very small. It means if the CPU size is reduced, automatically its size will decrease. And reduced cost. Reduced cost means when the speed is increasing and physical size is decreasing and its cost is also decreasing. Currently available microprocessors are capable of processing millions of instructions per second. This figure can increase over time. Generation of microprocessor. In this generation, you see first generation is its era is between 1971 to 1973. Chip type LSI. LSI means large scale integration. Word size 4/8 bit. Maximum memory size 1 kilobyte. Here the meaning of memory is RAM. Clock speed 108 kilohertz to 200 kilohertz. Cores single. Example here Intel 8080. These terms I will explain you here. Okay, first I will explain you the terms here. Microprocessor specification. Then I will explain this chart, or you can say the table. Microprocessor specification. The classification of microprocessor is done on the basis of chip type, memory size, word size, clock speed. Some of the important features of microprocessor are as follows. First, word size. Word size is the maximum number of bits that microprocessor can process at a time. Word size you can say in physical term like a capacity of glass or a cup, means how much tea you can put on the cup or how much milk you can put on the glass. It means it is the capacity of both utensils. Same way, a word size means how much word it can process at a time, or you can say means whenever you are learning any topic at the time, means how many things you can means learn at a time, or whenever you are solving mathematical calculation, how much means you can say the size of a number you can calculate at a time. Same thing is here. Example 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, and currently the status is 64-bit. Memory size. The size of RAM can be supported by microprocessor. Clock speed. The clock speed indicates the speed at which the computer can execute instructions. The time taken by CPU to execute instruction is called as clock speed. Clock speed is the speed of CPU. Its measurement size is in hertz, megahertz, gigahertz. Core. A CPU core is a CPU processor. Core is a basic computation unit of the CPU. In the old days, every processor had just one core that can focus on the task at a time. Today's CPU have been 2 and 18 cores, each of which can work on a different task. Now I will explain you the chart here. Now you can see this table. The first generation, the era was 1971 to 73. Chip type large scale integration, word size 4 or 8 bits, maximum memory size 1 kilobyte, clock speed 108 kilohertz to 200 kilohertz, cores single. Example Intel 8080. Second generation era 1974 to 1978. Chip type again large scale integration, word size 8 bit, maximum memory size 1 megabyte, clock speed up to 2 megahertz, cores single. Example Motorola 6800 and Intel 8085. Third generation era is 1979 to 1980. Chip type VLSI. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. Word size 16 bit. Maximum memory size 16 megabyte. Clock speed 4 megahertz to 6 megahertz. Cores single. Example Intel 8086. Fourth generation era 1981 to 1995. Chip type very large scale integration. Word size 32 bit. Maximum memory size 4 gigabytes. Clock speed up to 133 megahertz. Cores single. Example Intel 80386, Motorola 68030. Fifth generation 1995 till date. Super large scale integration of chip type. Word size 64 bit. Maximum memory size 64 gigabytes. Clock speed 533 megahertz to 34 gigahertz. Cores multi-core. Example Pentium, Celeron and Xeon. Now you see this table. In this table I am showing you different images of microprocessor. See here Intel Core i9. Nowadays the microprocessor are based on artificial intelligence. See this one, what is a CPU? This image is from LiveWire. See here, it is showing the CPU. What a computer looks like, where it is located. See the diagram of the CPU here. CPU cores, different cores are here. CPU clock speed. Example, Intel Core i3, i5, i7. Now another topic is here microcontroller. Microcontroller is same like CPU, but it is different from the CPU here, because in microcontroller all things like memory, CPU, input output ports attached in a single chip. See the diagram of the microcontroller here, and the microcontroller is used for embedded systems. Embedded system means when we use devices to perform computation tasks. The microcontroller is a small computing device which has a CPU, a fixed amount of RAM, ROM, and other peripheral, all embedded on a single chip, as compared to microprocessor that has only a CPU on the chip. Example: keyboard, mouse, washing machine, digital camera, pen drive, remote controller, microwave, air conditioners are few examples of microcontroller. Thank you.